Welcome to The Foundry by Forge College. In our last lesson, we tackled the mechanics of gasless transactions. Today, we're looking at the technical reality of updating data within a system that suddenly snaps and freezes into strict immutability. Compressed NFTs live within a Merkle tree, a cryptographic structure that secures data through a chain of hashes rather than a traditional row and column database. This hierarchy makes a standard data edit impossible without a specific protocol. This diagram shows the interconnected web of a Merkle tree. If you alter a single piece of data at the bottom, a leaf, without following strict protocol rules, it triggers a cascading red error signal that breaks every connecting line, invalidating the network's cryptographic proof. This is where the Bubblegum protocol steps in. Bubblegum provides a highly strict deterministic workflow. It allows you to change data locally on your own machine, meticulously rebuild the mathematical proof of the tree, and then safely submit that update back to the chain. Updating a cNFT is an exercise in perfectly synchronizing a local mathematical change with a global blockchain consensus. The first step happens completely off-chain. You capture a local snapshot of the entire tree state, locate the specific target leaf index you want to modify, and update its payload, like changing an asset's URI or adjusting a royalty fee. You then have to format this new data using deterministic serialization. That means encoding the bytes exactly the same way the on-chain program does, down to the last decimal. Think of the blockchain verifier as a highly strict bouncer. If your local data formatting doesn't perfectly match the blockchain's rigid dress code, your transaction gets rejected at the door. This diagram shows a target node. Combine the new hash with its siblings, recalculating upwards. This cascades up the hierarchy, generating a brand new top node, your new Merkle root. The path and root are then bundled to form a compact inclusion proof. All of this intense local calculation exists for one reason: to build an irrefutable mathematical argument that the blockchain must accept. Next is the network handoff. You package your new root with a few metadata identifiers, like a sequence number and a collection ID. Sign it with your key pair and send it to Bubblegum's root commit instruction. Mastering these complex multi-step on-chain transactions is exactly the kind of deep systems thinking we explore across the Web3 learning programs at Forge College. But right at the point of submission, you face a risk: the race condition. This occurs when multiple users attempt to update different leaves in the same tree at the exact same millisecond. The strategic solution to this digital traffic jam is a pattern called index reservation, sometimes referred to as optimistic locking. It works like calling shotgun on a road trip. You claim a specific index on-chain before you commit the heavy math, ensuring your update isn't overwritten by someone else's rapid changes while your transaction is in flight. Successfully updating state on Solana requires you to balance perfect cryptographic math with defensive strategies against a chaotic, concurrent network. To confirm a state change was successful, a developer must query the on-chain logs for the specific root-committed event receipt. Once you have the receipt, you begin the verification phase. First, you check your local math to ensure recomputing the old leaf restores the old root. Second, you verify your new proof structure contains all required sibling nodes in the correct order. Third, you confirm the blockchain accepted the new root you submitted. And finally, you run a validation check of your proof against that newly committed root. When you master this flow, you gain the ability to securely and reliably manage the state for massive, hyper-scalable digital asset collections. Keep track of the metrics you generate during this process. In our next lesson, we will use your data on transaction sizes and timing to design highly cost-efficient scaling patterns for enterprise-level applications. To dive deeper, explore more Web3 content and master the mechanics of the decentralized future, visit forge.college. We'll see you next time.